Hello out there. An audience member had the suggestion that we share a video on how to purchase a ticket for a sounding board concert. So this video attempts to do that. I would go to my web browser of choice. In this case, I'm using Google Chrome. Type in our website, thesoundingboard.org, which brings you to our homepage. From our homepage, you can see the concert schedule here. You can also click upcoming shows and you would see a full season list. In this case, we have one concert left of the spring 2024 season. So we would click on the button that says View Event. You'll see information about the artist. In this case, it's the Portables. And just below that, you would click here to buy tickets. You're going to see a little bit of a spinning wheel, and what's happening is our website is linking you to our third-party ticketing platform, which is called SimpleTix. You can also access SimpleTix directly as a website, but this is the most direct way to get to it from our webpage to keep things simple. You'll see here that there's a picture of the band on the right and an area here that you can scroll up and down. I think this is the part people tend to miss. You can move this scroller here to access all the different ticket types. At the sounding board, you can purchase a member ticket if you are indeed an active member, which is an annual membership starting at about $10 a year. You can purchase a regular general admission ticket, which would be the non-member price. And the cafe tables are a new feature ticketing wise at the sounding board. These are the tables that are at the front of the concert venue, which you can purchase either as a member or a non-member. To clarify that this is purchasing you one seat at a table at the front. It is not purchasing the entire table. So if, for instance, you wanted to buy a table for 4 people, you would need to buy 4 cafe table tickets. So if I were to click that I wanted to buy, say, 2 member tickets, I would move my cursor down to the 2 under the member category. You'll see that at the right-hand side, it now pops up what the total cost would be because there is SimpleTix third-party platform fees that are added to your total cost. From here, I would click the green checkout button. This is going to bring me to an area where I type in my billing information. I'm just going to simply type in a few details here. I'm going to make something up, but from here, what I would do is use this same cursor scroller at the middle of the page here. It's colored blue. I do need to scroll down here because, and you can uncheck if you don't want to get emails about upcoming events. Of course, we'd love for you to click yes, but that's up to you. And you're welcome to fill out a survey question, how you heard about the events. But scrolling all the way down is where you're going to see your place to fill in your card number. Of course, I'm not going to type in anything there now, but I would if I was going to buy a ticket. And then I would simply click this purchase button that is shown in green. I think what's confusing people is that after typing your name and credentials here, maybe what's happening is folks are hitting purchase and then getting an error message. And the reason for that is because you haven't scrolled down on the page to get to the place where you enter a card number. Okay, so I hope that is helpful. Of course, I'm going to X out of here now because I'm not indeed purchasing a ticket. I already have my ticket for this concert. So I'm going to X out of here and leave that. But that is how you purchase a ticket to a sounding board concert. It would be the same for any concert that we have. The other way you can purchase, of course, is to show up at the door. Our doors open 30 minutes before start time, and in most cases, you can get a ticket at the door. In a few rare cases, we do sell out beyond capacity, but we have quite a big auditorium, so that is very, very rare. And in most cases, you can walk right up and get a ticket if the online purchasing is not for you. We do not take phone or email reservations any longer. That is a practice that we phased out at a certain point. So please purchase your ticket online or show up at the door for your tickets, and we hope to see you soon. Thanks so much.